Hello viewers, in today's video I will show you how you can unlock Huawei E5330Bs 3G modem. As you can see, I am flashing unbranded firmware on this modem. The modem is in download mode and files are being flashed. As you can see, this modem belongs to one telecom company which name is Mobilink. So as you can see, currently it was locked. As you can see, the DC unlocker is saying locked, and after flashing the firmware I have entered the unlock code, and after entering unlock code you can see it is saying unlocked. So as you can see, I have inserted SIM card from another operator which name is Telenor, and it is working fine. I'm getting full signals. Now I will enter settings to make sure that everything is okay. IMEI and serial numbers. As you can see, APN is auto saved, and in device information, as you can see, every information is correct. So we have successfully unlocked this modem, and see, this device belongs to Mobilink, but inside I am using Telenor SIM. If you can also get your device unlocked by following the details given in the description of this video. Thank you for watching this video.